So hey yo kawan-kawan sekalian kongsi the far chai happy Chinese the New Year Chinese New Year is coming very soon Thank you for vape sourcing that send me these things This is a very cute things I see the packaging also know already this is a starter kit. So these things is selling at vape sourcing I currently check at the website it's only 18.80 USD. It's very cheap vape starter kit. So this is the Joyetech, you know. Joyetech product. Without wasting our time, let's just take a look how is this things looks like. Okay guys.
2 + 2 is 4, -1 that's 3, quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees.
So what is up vapors, this is the eGo AIO ECO. So long sample not for sale, this is only for review purpose. This is the Joyetech product and this is how the packaging looks like. So gonna say thank you to the vape sourcing that sent me these things for review. Now let's take a look inside. So sorry, it's already broken but it's okay lah. Just push. Wow, so small only Really, are you kidding me? It seems like a pen only. This is really what we call a vape pen. So we will still get one card right here like this the card. It issued the coil heads VG ratio 40, 50, 60, 70 the clouds and the flavor and we will still get a little bit things the USB cable. Now this is how the coil heads looks like for vape pen we call these things as a filter okay, can last around 3 weeks or 1 month maybe, see depends on how you all vape it and still got 3 O-rings spare for you all in case you lost your O-rings, and also the user manual this is the user manual. Was so long the user manual. The things is only very small, you know. It's because got so many types of language. There are Chinese, Polsku, Espanol, Francis, Dutch, Italiano, many every language you also can get it and another thing, this is the warranty card Make sure these things is with you all warranty card in case the mode got problem. So kindly take a look at this vape pen This is the very simple for you all want to started to vape. It writes keep calm and vape on right here. Maximum output voltage just only 6.8 watt. Input voltage DC 5 volt. Manufactured by Joyetech, made in China. Joyetech Shenzhen Electronic. So before you want to try at the first it's better if you insert the flavor okay. If not, later you press this fire button these things will burn. So these things currently is a built-in battery. If you want to go to flight, there is no problem. You just lock these things and you just open all these things, the atomizer. This make sure you find something you keep inside the box like this. And you left these things, you can go inside the airplane because sometimes we scared in case you accidentally press it so you better take it out like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a blinking light right here. It means turn on this device, turn off and turn on When you press it, got light, means that no atomizer because it's blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blink few times, 3 times is locked when you press it. There's no light, see, press it, there's no light. And press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The light is blinking. Okay, got light So what we gonna do now is you insert back this coil heads like this. Insert this glass tube This type of vape pen is good if you try to insert a 50-50 or 40-60 e-juice. Don't insert too high VG e-juice. So I try to use this unicorn milk cheese. And it's good if you try to insert a creamy or tobeco flavor because we are playing the flavoring. You can try high nicotine as well because these things there's not so many clouds, so you won't get hurt. You won't get throat hit. Just pump in your flavor like this. See the color. You also can try this e-juice, Sayonara unicorn milk cheese, and then just directly close this top cap like this. So you can directly charge your device through this USB port. If can, the best you just try to wait around 3 minutes then you can start to press the fire button. Alright, so the drip tip you cannot open out. This is one set together. It's built in the drip tip. There, the sound. Press 5 times to lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock it. When you press the fire button, there's nothing happen. Alright, press 5 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's fire. So don't play about these things There are few types of color you can change When this thing is turned off you press longer for 5 seconds. There, blue light inside. You can change green, blue, red, purple, green, blue, no light, blue light, like this. Okay, and then when you want to vape it, just press 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. The light will blinking. Press the fire button and vape it. Oh yeah, that is quite a lot of fog also low, these things. Don't play guys. Happy Chinese New Year. This flavoring is very suitable for all the starter kit, starter user. If you all want to try start vaping, you all can try this. I guarantee you all these coil heads are very lasting. You all don't vaping non-stop keep vaping pump until these things is hot. Of course you all will burn the atomizer very quickly. So the coil heads if the coil heads is burnt there is no worry. It's also selling at vapesourcing.com for only $8.9 you know, for 5 pieces. These things remember this vape pen is named eGo AIO Echo. So Joyetech got many types of starter kit, you know, eGo this that this is the eGo AIO Echo. There is no OLED screen, anything. There is just light and power button and you can directly vape it. Very small device. I give you all see it's only 11.3mm. The flavoring you can feel 100% of the tastiness of this Sinara unicorn milk cheese. The flavoring is really taste like this. If you sometimes you insert into the dripper you will feel very throat hit if you're using only 6 mg, but you insert the flavor 12 mg into this vape pen you doesn't feel any throat hit, because these things is just provide very small wattage and very less cloud. And it's very good in flavoring. So these you can buy a souvenir at Chinese New Year for your appa, amma, mama, papa, sister, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, friend, your mother friend, your sister friend, your father friend, your neighbor, your auntie, uncle, your father's uncle, your grandfather friend, your grandmother, mom, your great-great-grandfather, children, everything lah. And also I just found out one thing at vape sourcing, you know, eleaf micro USB cable they also selling. Don't play it's only 1.25 USD. It's just a normal USB cable you can charge your device also. Very funny things. So by the way, gonna thumbs up for this Joyetech eGo AIO Echo. And thank you so much to vapesourcing.com that sent me these things for review. I love these things so much. This vape pen, I can put it anywhere I like. At my car, at my bed, at the toilet, at my pocket, at my cuckoo. Everything, no worry. It's very comfortable. Hey, I forget to press the button, sorry. So that's all that I'm gonna tell you about these things, this device, vape pen. I see you all at my next videos again. Arigato, kamsahamnida. Happy Chinese New Year to all the Chinese and non-Chinese and my friend. Bye bye.
2 + 2 is 4, -1 that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees. See your girl in the park, that girl was a uckers. When the ting went quack, you man were ducking. Hold tight, Asmi, my brother, he's got a pumpy, big ting. Hold tight, my man, my guy, he's got a frisbee. I trap.